All right. So our problem statement is households often see struggles to balance cleanliness, safety, and convenience.
Whoever is
Oh, okay.
sharing this,
on the washer and another one on the claw to detect how far it is from the clothes. And then um, we have a motor for the arms and the claw and a motor for the wheels. So that in the circuit, we have the force sensor on the top left, and then we have the servo motors. One is for the arm, one is for the claw, and then we have two ultrasonic distance sensors, one for the front of the robot, one for the claw. And then on the right, we have our two DC motors, one for the left wheels and one for the right wheels.
Valence, he's pretty simple. He features a basic design. Has a camera, two wheels, and a front sensor and a battery pack. For my circuit,
next slide.
the circuit features just two motors, one for each wheel, a sensor just to detect any object in front in case it needs to go off track, and then a motor for the camera to rotate 360 degrees. That's it.
Perfect.
So rooting for you, there's a plant water robot. It has one ultrasonic sensor, two motor for the wheels, and uh, servo motor for the arms. One ultrasonic sensor, send the plants, everything start, and it's going to start watering. And servo motor is going to make sure the arm can reach the plant.
Dumpster demolisher is this robot. It's supposed to take out the trash for you. So there's a pressure plate at the bottom that when it's full, it'll trigger the cycle and have the robot go to its designated spot, which then will trigger trigger the telescoping plate and dump the trash, and then the robot will return back to its base. In the circuit here, you can also see there's a gas detector. So if there's any like foul odors, it'll trigger the cycle early. Mr. Robot will hang out here till its sensors are triggered, so either the pressure sensor or the gas sensor, and then it'll make its way over to the door to its designated spot. It'll empty out the trash, and then it will come back over. Oops. It'll come back over to its home base there. Then our little surveillance robot here, it's just patrolling around, uh, doing its sweep. It'll pause in here for 30 seconds, and then it'll head over to the next room to continue its patrol.
So for the value our system added, most robot in the markets can perform just a single task, whether it's a laundry robot or whether it's a plant water robot. But our system combine all of those, and the end user just have to do once, and every robot can take care of all the other tasks. So that's the value we added to the market. In conclusion, this project was a real learning experience, and we figured out how to turn these ideas into something that works, how to simplify when things got complicated, and how to adjust things that did not go as planned. If we had more time, we would improve a few areas like the communication and testing, but in the end, we built something we're proud of. It's useful and it solves a problem, and it's almost every household can relate to. And here you can see all the reference and conclusion. We have it. That'll be all.